So in the last video, we talked about variables, how to declare them, how to assign them, thinking about types. Now we're going to think about Python operators, which are operations you can do between two different pieces of data or two different pieces of variables. We're going to bring you through this in two steps. I'm going to talk about what are operators, and we're going to talk about some useful Python operators. So what are operators? We know that we can use Python as a calculator. Every time you create a mathematical calculation, you're using an operator. For example, in 1 plus 1, the plus sign is an operator, is the addition operator. So you can operate on two pieces of information using the plus sign, and you can also do 1 minus 1. You can create some variables, and you can use operators to add them together. So that's operators. So operators are quite important because it allows you to do very fundamental things with your data. So we have the normal plus and minus. If you want to multiply numbers together, you use the asterisk. If you want to divide numbers, then you use the forward slash. We can do modulus, which is the percent operator, which means that we divide the number on the left with the number on the right and print out the remainder. We can do the exponent, which is to the power of, so we can have 3 to the power of 2 and also 3 to the power of 3 with 2 asterisks. We can perform comparisons, so we can say is 3 equal to 3 with 2 equal signs. So 1 equal sign is an assignment and 2 equal signs is the comparison. If we want to see not equals, the operator in Python is the bang character. And if we do bang equal, it means that is 3 not equal to 3. In this case it's false, but if is 3 not equal to 2, then that's true. We can compare the ranges of different numbers. So we can say is 3 larger than 2, true. 3 larger or equal to 2, also true. But if 3 smaller or equal to 2, that's false. Because there's an equal sign in smaller or equal to, we can also say 3 larger or equal to 3, which is true. The other convenient thing is if we have a variable year equals to 2018 and we want to add 1 year to that year, we can either do year equals to year plus 1, which means that year is now 2019, or we can do year plus equal 1, which again increments the year by 1 year, but it's now a lot more clear what it is doing because it says we add 1 to year. Similarly, you can do year minus equals 1, and then you can see year is now 2019. We can do multiply by 2, and we can look at year, it's 4038. So this is a very good shortcut to make your code slightly cleaner and to denote the fact that you're adding on something. It doesn't matter a huge amount, but some people prefer to use the plus equal operator, which is in21, and some people prefer to do equals or assignment year plus 1, which is at in19. The last thing I want to talk about is, as you know from normal mathematics, there are some operators that have precedence over one another. So you have 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2, it will be 6 because 2 multiplied by 2 takes the precedence, and then 2 plus 2, or the plus, will come after. If we want to control this, much like in mathematics, we can do 2 with a parentheses to control how the precedence of the operator goes. And that's all there is to it. So we've just learned what are operators. Operators are small Python characters that allow you to manipulate two pieces of information or more. And some of the useful Python operators include mathematical operators like addition and exponents, and also some logical operators like greater than, and equal to, or not equal to. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how we can use Python operators in more depth. I'll see you guys next time.